In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up an integration or remote MCP server with Claude. Today is May 1st. Claude just announced integrations, which means that they support remote MCP servers in the web version of Claude. So they have supported local MCP servers via the desktop app for many months now. That causes huge wave of interest in MCP, but only a small portion of folks use the desktop app, and local servers were pretty clunky to work with. Now adding an integration, working with a MCP server is as simple as dropping in a URL, which I'm going to show you. As of launch, this is only available in the Max, Team, and Enterprise plans. I actually upgraded to Max so that I could do this, but it's coming very soon to Pro. I'm here on the web version of Claude. I'm going to come down to Settings. I'm going to scroll down to Integrations and click Add More. You can see I just need to give this a name and I need a URL. I'm going to use Riza's remote MCP server. Riza is a code interpreter. You can pass code to it via an API call. It will run the code in a secure, safe sandbox. So if I come here and sign in, there is an option to run Riza with MCP. I'm going to copy that URL, which also has my secret key on it. And then I'm going to paste that in as the URL. And that is it. That is all I need to do now to use that tool in my Claude chats. So now I'm going to say, write a Python script and run the script to calculate 52 factorial. And so you can see it just automatically here knows that it has access to this execute Python script. It's going to ask for permission if I want to let it run it. You can see that it already knows how to use this tool because the definition and the description of the tool was included in the MCP server. And so it has now done this, large math problem. And just for fun, it says the number has 68 digits, represents the total number of ways to arrange a standard deck of 52 playing cards, which is it's larger than the estimated number of atoms in our galaxy. So just a fun fact, if you're into Magic or cards, every time you shuffle a deck of cards, that is likely the only time in history that that particular order of cards has ever existed, which is kind of mind-blowing to think about. Okay, let's do something just a little bit more complex here. Simulate dealing out 10,000 hands of Texas Hold'em, just the whole cards for the players. And then of those 10,000 hands, calculate how many of those hands are pocket pairs. That is, that the rank is the same of both cards in the hand. And it looks like we got about 6% of the ones were dealt out here, and the theoretical possibility was 5.8%. So, and we can come back up here again, and we can look at the execute Python tool call. You can see the code that it passed in, and then you can see the result that came back from Riza after that code was run. So this is super exciting. This now means that you can add all sorts of new capabilities to Claude simply by dropping in the URL of a remote MCP server. I think you're going to see a lot more companies now deploying remote MCP servers because this just kind of blows open the floodgates of allowing customers to use an LLM as the interface for your product.